Hi, I am Ganesan Ramakrishnan, Techno Commercial Manager for SolidCAM Middle East. Welcome to Marhaba Gulf. The Middle East market is entirely into the manufacturing companies. They were into multiple products like medical, aerospace, defense, and other components. So the SolidCAM is a wonderful product which helps the manufacturing companies in a different verticals. So it starts from the CAD, CAM, as well as the monitoring solutions like a SolidShop. We are the single point solution provider for the entire manufacturing ecosystems. Last year we started with 22 customers. Today we stand 100 plus customers in the UAE market. Not only in UAE, we have dealers and partners handling Saudi as well as the entire regions, Gulf regions. The major strength of SolidCAM Middle East, so we don't just concentrate on the sales, we too concentrate on the customer supports. So we make sure that the product what we deliver, the customers are utilizing for 100%. And we make sure the solution is perfectly working with the customer end. So this is our major strength. We too have a technical team of 87 members working with our team who will be always supporting to the customers.